Original versus Aftermarket Catalytic Converters. Original catalytic converters are installed on vehicles at the factory. Their role is to reduce harmful emissions. All catalytics have a lifespan and will eventually need to be replaced. Original factory installed catalytic converters can have a lifespan of about 5 years or 200,000 kilometers. When the catalytic goes bad, you may notice the following: sluggish engine performance, reduced acceleration, dark exhaust smoke, the smell of sulfur or rotten eggs in the car, excessive heat under vehicle. This could be a good sign that your catalytic converter needs to be replaced. You can easily tell if a catalytic converter has been replaced. You will be able to see signs of welding before and after the catalytic converter. 99% of catalytic converters are replaced with cheaper aftermarket alternatives. An easy way to check if one has been replaced on your vehicle is to take a look under the car. An aftermarket catalytic converter will be easy to spot. It will definitely stand out. I hope this video helps you in determining whether your vehicle has an original or a replacement catalytic converter. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.